Greeting bikers. So I just took the bike for a bike wash, and yes, I think my last video was a month ago, and I didn't ride the bike at all actually. Just that I only start the bike every once or 2 weeks to get the engine warm up and maybe go to work, but I really don't ride anymore. So the moment has finally come, and yes, I'm selling the bike. I'm selling the bike for real. You know, the thought of selling the bike has been lingering around for quite some time since last year, if you have been following my video. So yeah, I think I should find her a better owner who really can make good use of her, who really enjoy her. So yeah, I just settled the bike loan today. Then yes, now the bike is on sale. So I'll just go around the bike and explain what are the special features or modifications that I did for the bike. Okay, first thing, the bike mileage is 35,093 kilometers. Okay, and this bike, I'll go from the front to the end. This bike, I have installed a carbon fiber front fender, and also the what do you call that? Steel braided brake line, front and end from HEL, HEL. It does give you a very good braking response, and it really improved your braking experience, and I find that it is a lot safer. And then okay, I have this Akrapovic full system original carbon racing line, and yeah, this is the rear wheel steel braided brake line. And then I have this okay, RNG tail tidy, which is original RNG. I'll show you it comes with LED, very sturdy, and also a keyhole cover to prevent your keyhole from sticking dirt, sands. And then I have this splash guard, which is also very sturdy. And also, yeah, this tire I just installed like I think 6 months ago, less than that, but you see, still got a lot of tread left. Okay, and yeah, the basic protective cover you have, and most importantly, yeah, there's one more thing I need to show you. If you have following my video, you see that the seat I have already covered it with a new skin. And okay, there's one more thing that I need to show you. Just a moment, please. Oh yeah, this is matte. This matte black is not the original color. It is a sticker. The original color is actually purple. So all the while I've been using stickers to protect the tank. Yes, and I have this It's a Bazzaz piggyback ECU. Piggyback ECU, which is it helps to improve your air-fuel ratio, especially when you install a third-party exhaust system. So this piggyback ECU is not like how you flash your bike ECU. It is piggybacking your ECU, and it doesn't touch the original ECU mapping. It just helps to improve the air-fuel ratio, helps the fuel to burn better, and it gives you a smoother experience. It doesn't popping a lot, backfire, and give you less engine braking if you like. So the bike is actually well tuned and well maintained. So okay, if you are interested to become her new owner, kindly leave your contact at the comment section, and I'll get in touch with you. And yeah, my location is in Kuala Lumpur, so if you are outside Kuala Lumpur, I think it's a bit hard for us to meet up. But if you're in Kuala Lumpur, just let me know if you're interested in this bike. And price that I'm asking is 30,000 ringgit, and of course it's negotiable. So yeah, if you are a cash buyer, of course I will offer you a hard to resist price. Okay, and yeah, it's a 2015 manufactured bike. So I hope to see the new owner soon. Thank you. And okay, this could be my last video for this bike. So yeah, temporarily I would say I'm retiring from riding, but who knows, if I get back the passion, I may get a new bike and continue my riding adventure. Who knows? So all the best to everyone, and I want to say thank you to all the subscribers, friends and bikers whom I come across, I met, and I would also like to apologize if I've offended you guys. But overall, it's a very great experience, I would say, and meeting new friends, fun experience. It's all very good for me, but unfortunately I'm selling this bike now because I really don't have the passion and the time to continue my riding for now. And yeah, this is the top box. Okay, I just forgot about this. This is the top box base which I installed I think last month, which I never use it, and I'll just give it for free as part of the accessories. So this also double as a pillion handlebar, very sturdy. So I'll hear from you guys soon, and take care, and last but not least, ride safe. Bye.